Hartman adventures at them, man.
Good morning. What's going on, people? Dre again out here, Hartman Adventures. Out here on another fishing adventure this morning. Have a very short time. Well, I have a couple of hours to do some fishing, so I'm out here with just the lures this morning. What am I traveling with this morning? Okuma ultralight setup and Quantum OPTIX. This is my wife's rod, the Quantum. That's my wife's rod, but I have it paired with a Plusino. Whoa, see a lot of bait out here. You can see a lot of bait in the water right there. I have it paired with the Plusino 5000 reel and some 20-pound braid. This bait I have on is Bama bait Bonanza. If you hear that, it makes a really good rattle. The water is very calm this morning though, so I'm not sure I'm going to need the lure that is this noisy. But let's see. Welcome again to you guys. Hope you're enjoying these adventures. And let's just get the little house cleaning out that way. If you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'll just pause right here. Just go ahead, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on this video as well. Also, you can leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about these videos. So I'm on the pier. Whoa, there's a dead stingray right here. That's a huge stingray. It's on its back, so I know that it's dead. And the water is very low today as well. That's a very big stingray. It actually has 2 barbs. I've never seen one like that. Has 2 barbs on the tail. It's a bit stinky out here, but let's see. It's a bit stinky, but let's see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so this is one of my favorite fishing spots. I always love coming here, but I haven't been here in a little bit, and the tide here is pretty low. It's pretty low. I think I might go try some casting out here where I saw the bait. Might go and try casting over there, see what I might find. Woo! Hoping that we can get a good adventure this morning, guys. Really hoping for a good adventure this morning. What am I gonna find? I have no idea, but I'm hoping to find something. Wow, I just heard something behind me in the water, so maybe I should try this side first. Alright, I'm just gonna set my bag and these rods down. See what I'm gonna find. First cast this morning. First cast. Haven't been down this side fishing for a couple of, maybe about 2 months now. Yeah, maybe about 2.5 months now I haven't been this side for fishing. But this is one of my absolute favorite spots for fishing. I really love fishing down here. Sometimes you come here, there are a lot of jacks, a lot of tarpons, snappers, snooks, even snooks are here. Came here one time and I was throwing a soft plastic on. Alright, there it is. First one. Ah, first one. Small barra. Very small barra. That's a baby. There it is. It's a really small barracuda. Let me see if I can hold him, get him off. Really small one. Whoop. Don't want him to throw this hook in my hand. Horses. I should have my pliers with me, guys. My pliers is in my bag. I probably should go and take it up. See if I can put him back in the water. There you go, little man. There he is. Alright, I'm going to get my pliers out of my bag, so if I get another hook up, I can use it to remove the hooks a lot easier, and I can release the fish a lot quicker. Alright, so that's the first one. Let's see if we can get some better ones. I'm just working it as close to the shoreline as possible without getting any snags. Whoa, snook! There was a snook following this lure a while ago. I just saw a snook, guys. I just saw a snook. Come on, Snooky, Snooky, Snooky. Oh, Barra. Barra as well. Would you look at that? Barra is right here. That was a Barracuda Chase in the lure a while ago. So, first cast, got a Snook Chase. About the fourth, Got a Barracuda Chase. I got a snag. This lure is a sinking lure, guys, so I have to be very careful how I pass this, especially in the shallows. That's what it's on. That's what I got snag on. Some old fishing line. Now me wet all the way up to my brief. Was not looking forward to that today. Did not carry any shorts to change, so I was not looking forward to getting in the water today. But I didn't plan to lose this lure. I love it. I love using this lure. Alright, let's just put this down here. Bring that home when we're going home. Leave my shorts right here as well, so it can dry. Feel awkward now. This lure is a sinking lure. I can't pause this lure. If I pause it, it's gonna get a snag. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Let's see what this is. Barra? Small Barracuda. There he is. Tell you guys, I love this lure. It's a nice little barra, but gonna set him free. Not going to keep him. Woo. Okay, relax. Relax a little. That's a nice 1 pound barra. Nice little 1 pound Barracuda. Gonna set him free. I actually really love eating Barracuda that are not too big. Meat is really tasty. But this one I'm not going to keep. Gonna let go this one. There you go, sir. There he is. Second barra for this morning. Second Barracuda this morning. Alright, I'm on the Topwater popper now. Let's see if we're going to find anything on the Topwater. Whoa, did you guys see that? That's a tarpon. Whoa. Did you guys see that? Whoa, what a strike! Whoa, whoa, woo! Let's go again. He's still out there. Whoa, I think I just got a wind knot. Wow, what a strike that was. Absolutely came up for it. He absolutely came up for it. Out of the water, everything. Alright, let's go back with the top water again. That was the first cast on the top water. Whoa, getting a lot of blow-ups on this. What? Whoa. Whoa. So they are feeding on the surface this morning, it seems. It's just 2 tarpons came up a while ago. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I think my lure. I think it's foul. There he is. Big tarpon, guys. Ah. Woo. I don't even have my gaff to take him out, so I'm going to have to walk him all the way down here. He's gonna jump a couple more times. He's not done as yet. I don't have my gaff to take him out, so I'm going to have to tire him out before I can take him out. He's close enough to the jetty now though. There he is. That's a nice, well, that's a nice tarpon. This is actually my first time landing a tarpon. Every other time that I've caught a tarpon, oh, come back. He didn't even get it in his mouth. So that's how I know they're not really, that's how I know they were just tail slapping it. Alright, come here. I only have one hook set in him now. They absolutely do not like land. This is a small tarpon compared to a lot of the sizes I've seen down here. This is a small one. And this is my first time landing a tarpon. Whoa! They've been blowing up on this lure all morning. Look at that. There he is. That's my first time landing a tarpon. Every other time I've caught a tarpon, it's broken off, flash the hooks, and all of that. Cut the mouth on this guy. Wow. What do you guys think? I should let him go? Should I let him go? Might let him go in. No. I was gonna let him go, but I'm not going to let him go. I'm going country today. I'm gonna bring him and I'm going to cook him up at country. Going to bring him to country today and cook him up. If I catch another one though, I'm going to let him go. I heard tarpons are not the best eating fish, so I didn't plan to keep this any, but I'm gonna keep this one. I'm going to country today, so I'm going to keep this one. Topwater fishing it's I tell you, it's an adrenaline rush. Topwater fishing is one of my favorite type of fishing, because when you're getting strikes, it's all surface action. A lot of surface action, fish is breaching, all of that. I love topwater fishing, especially like earlier this morning when you saw the tarpon come up and tail slap the lure, entirely breached the surface. So it's a real adrenaline rush when you're on topwater fishing. When they are feeding on the surface, it's really fun. Some big blow-ups, nice strike, and all of that. So let's see if we can get some more action this morning. And again, this is the bomber bait Bonanza. That's the one that did the damage. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. The battery and the camera is getting low. I have other batteries in the car, but I didn't bring them with me, so I just got the low battery warning on the camera. So I'm gonna end the video here. This tarpon, I'm gonna bring it to country. I'm going to country today, so I'm gonna bring this to country, see if we can cook him up and chill out and eat. I might bring the cameras and record some of that footage, so you guys can look out for that video. But thanks again for tuning in to Hartman Adventures.
Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and invite them over to come and join the adventure. So thanks again for tuning in, thanks for the support as always, and see you in the next video.